Cause I'm a rape. And I drive to Atlanta from Florida. A mini road trip. A 7-8 hour. I'm too crazy. Down, baby?
Yeah. I was trying to say the
Via subscribers, Vybz Kartel, the world boss, one Dan, and wife you see them is at it again. And people this time Vybz Kartel and see them was having a little fun while on a road trip to Atlanta. And people, me not tell a lie, there is never a dull moment with Vybz Kartel and wife you see them. Everywhere them turn up, it burn up. Everywhere them pull up, get full up. Talk truth no man. The clip no normal, it up a notch, it bad, it wicked, it mad, it ticked in a real life. And me not go talk to you long, my people. I go forward another clip and see what Vybz Kartel and wife you see them are going with.
Bob.
road trip.
Yeah. Woo! Get deaf. We're going to ATL. Georgia.
What do we say now?
We out.
People, one thing me have to say, it's a good look, it's a big look, it's a great look. And the chemistry of Vybz Kartel and see them develop it and match. Yeah man, no joke. And me feel like the Vybz Kartel and see them start one series people. No, and me not gonna talk too long. I can forward in a clip and see where them are going with on the road.
Hey Siri. Take me to Georgia, Atlanta.
924 kilometers to your north. How about that one?
Yes.
Getting directions.
One, see them, and never two. Road tripping.
Road trip.
So people, me personally want to take the time out, we big up Vybz Kartel and congratulate him. Yeah man, from him forward out from prison, I just lone greatness the boss I deal with. God and family. Yeah man, big up yourself Vybz Kartel, big up yourself wife you see them. Now do it in a real life. The chemistry I want to develop it unmatched. No joke about that. Now shame a lot of people. And when I go talk too long, I go forward in a clip again and see what Vybz Kartel and wife you see them are going with.
Nine.
So people, that was Vybz Kartel and wife you see them on a mini road trip to Atlanta, Georgia. And people, me not tell a lie, there was never a dull moment doing that clip. One thing with Vybz Kartel and wife you see them are gonna give the fans them something to smile about. And right now, I have a clip of Jamal Man in UK. And people, me not tell a lie, Jamal Man I rough up a whole place. 39 GUD. And me not gonna talk too long. I go forward in a clip and see what one Man I go on with.
They are Birmingham, UK.
Don't know, big up the world of J.A. China and good. All I do is hello. Go for the bag when I'm a fumble. Grab the gun when I'm humble. Sit up for me now, don't run. I'm from black eye glass, no fit on spoon. I'm from black eye glass. J-Leap on the lane, girl in my front. Put a 3-story house in my jungle. Tell the squad you don't feel me happy. Big bug, but watch I have in a bag and phone. Birmingham, Dunce Monday, man. You see me, I say 399 code. Everybody make it a late and down with it. 6 go mad.
Jamaican national.
So people, that was a clip of Jamal Dunceman in Birmingham, UK. And man, I tell a lie, people, later the show now go normal. It a go get shell, it a go bad, it a go wicked, it a go mad, it a go sick. Jamal Dunceman in concert. No one a go get to no money's worth. 3-9 GUD. And people, right now we have a clip of One Mellow Vybz, and One Mellow Vybz I review Jamaica national food anthem, you know, people. Yeah man, I one thing with Jamaica still in about it always a keep. And when I go talk too long, I go forward to that clip here and see what I go on.
All a food pledge. Listen.
Right and across your left chest. Man. Before KFC and all franchise, I pledge the love and loyalty to food. Mackerel and rice and tonka meal.
Yeah.
Dumpling and butter, yes, some big cartwheel.
None.
Ackee and saltfish and potato.
Yeah.
With 2 fritters on the side, them call it stamp and go.
Sure.
But from them introduce barbecue zinger.
What?
My son say it tastes better than him Sunday dinner.
Weird.
My wife say it tastes better than them winger.
Yeah.
But me say the sandwich them I get thinner.
Yeah man, that's
I
smart.
promise to stand up for food.
All the time.
Deliberately and cravingly.
Grateful.
Rice and peas and chicken
Yeah.
with curry gravy or just piece of pastry.
Yeah. One cake.
So that Jamaica Boilers Chicken Company will increase in delivery.
What?
2 chock full of chicken and some pig for we see.
So much?
And I will play my part
Yeah.
in always speak food.
Food.
Justice
Yeah.
for the people them and the whole entire
yeah.
food human race.
Alright. Amen.
Hey people, a mama for me. Mama want laughing off your whole it in and can't mash up the man Jamaica National Food Pledge, you know. Yo, that clip of the normal, it up and that, it loud about the cloud our place, our part. People, they see Jamaican, them the normal, them creative in the real life. Talk truth, man. The clip bad, it wicked, it mad, it sicked. Yo, big up yourself, Mellow Vybz. And big up the youth that do the Jamaica National Food Pledge. You're not normal in the real life. You're wicked, you're sicked. And people, I'm not going to talk too long. I want you now, my viewers and my subscribers, and all of the Vybz Kartel Gaza Nation fans, come up in the comment section and let me know what you all think about Vybz Kartel and see them road trip to Atlanta. It bad, it wicked, it hot, it cool. Yeah man. I want to see all of the Vybz Kartel Gaza Nation fans and all of the dancehall fans spam up the comment section and let me know how I go on. You know the rules, you know the laws. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Feel free to comment, like up the video, share up the video. You know it's your boy Cian and I'm out.
CN Entertainment Review. CN Entertainment Review. Yeah, CN Channel Art. Dog, me say them eat art. CN Channel Art. Yeah, me say them art. You see I know the prayer. Don't know how big than I represent for CN Entertainment Reviews. What we have to stay attention when them on the drop news. Remember to subscribe to him channel, like and comment and share to a friend. I be give we outside.